Hi everyone. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to make for this little guy is pajamas. So I've got this flinny material and I'm going to use the um, tracksuit, the pattern I use for the tracksuit, the pants, and then the shirt. But I'm going to try and put it on this hem that's already here with the overlooking stitch, to use that for the hem around the body and even by the arms here. And then I'm even going to try and put it around the neck. Maybe just cut a little piece off and put it around the neck. And then I'm going to put elastic in the pants here, and I'm going to use elastic from a mask. This is actually quite nice to use for dolls, for their clothing, this elastic on your mask, so don't throw that away. So yeah, let's get started. So there is his little slippers. So I'm going to give this little guy a nice bath now and put him in his pajamas and put him to bed. Okay, so this little guy had a nice bath now. So I'm going to put on his pajamas. And then okay, I don't like this part, but I'm going to have to take off his head for his pajamas. Put it on. So yeah, let's get this on quickly. And there's our little guy in his pajamas. I think he looks actually too cute. So yeah, look at these little slippers. Came out nice. And yeah, this actually also worked out. And I like the hem around that we used for the little, with the end of the blanket. So yeah, but now it's time to put this little guy to bed. And so yeah, I'm just going to take off his slippers, put it here next to his bed. And like I said, the beds I make is everything is in it. There's the duvet and even a blanket, and then the fitted sheet and the top blanket. So here's your pillow. Into bed you go. Oops. And it is sleepy time for you, so just put off the light. So now our little guy is in bed and he's on his way to sleep. So as you can see, it's not only doll clothes that I'm making. I'm also make the furniture. I'm busy making a doll home for this family. So next up is this little guy's sister, teenage sister. So I'm going to start making clothes for her. But yeah, I also make the furniture and every room for everyone. And everything is working. It's working. So like this cupboard can open. Okay, I must just still make hangers for him here. That's why his hoodies is all up there. But there's his shoes, and the rest of his clothes is all packed in here. And like even his bedside can work. And there's little superhero cards that I even made for him. Little like superheroes on the little cards here. Like maybe Snap game or something like that. Yeah, so that you can use for that. And like even his little bed lamp is working. It's just a little tea candle I used. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and press that subscribe button and the bell next to that for if you want to get notifications, and you can see all the videos I upload on the furniture, the home, the clothing for the family, all that stuff. So yeah, like I said, if you like this video, press that like button. Bye.